Hi editors! Today we'll learn how to create this golden text and animation in After Effects. Create a new composition. Create a new text layer. And center it. Enable stroke and set it to 5px. Duplicate the text layer, name it text stroke, and disable the fill. Pre-compose it with enabled Move All attributes. Name the lower layer text and pre-compose it too. Create a new composition and call it texture. Now, get into our new comp and create a black solid background. Use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. Add a fastbox blur effect to it and set the blur radius to 5. Now we need to duplicate this shape layer several times. Set different blur amounts for each duplicate. This leads us to the result like here.
If you're into animation, check our 4000 templates for video editing.
Here you can find dozens of video templates for your project, from title animation to YouTube outros and much more. Pick a template for the software you use and preview all categories included inside. Video editing has never been easier.
So make sure you have visited our easyedit.pro website.
Get back to the main composition and drop the texture comp into it. Now let's add a motion tile effect to our texture. Set the output width and output height to 2000. Enable the mirror edges parameter. Add a turbulent displace effect to our texture. Set the value to 100 in the amount parameter. Add a sharpen effect and set the value to 7. Go to layer rotation and turn it at 30 degrees. Now get into the position parameter of our texture layer and click on Separate Dimensions to separate the position parameter into X and Y. Move to the 0 frame and set the position parameters to 0. Set the keyframes. Move forward to the 150th frame and set the keyframes like in the example, X value to 400 and Y value to 300. Now we have a movement animation, which ends on the 150th frame. We need to write down the following expression for each parameter. loop out continue. This will keep the animation looped after the last keyframe on our timeline. Pre-compose the texture composition once again, enabling Move All attributes. Call it Animation and place it below other layers. In the track mat, select the text layer and set the blending mode to Add. In our text stroke pre-compose, set the opacity to 30%. Now let's add a brand new effect that we haven't yet used in our tutorials. It's CC Blobulize. Apply it to our animation comp. Link the blob layer to the text. Set the property to luminance and the softness to 15. Set the cutaway to 50. In the light parameter, set the light height value to 30. Next, we need to add a CC glass effect to our animation layer and link the bump map to our text. Once again, set the property to luminance, the height parameter to 5, and the light height to 70. Create a new adjustment layer and add a curves effect to it. This effect will help us to achieve a golden color of our text. First, we'll lift up the main RGB channel, then we'll lift up each channel separately, RG and B. Add a curves effect once again and lift up the main channel. Finally, add a sharpen effect and set the value to 3. And that's the result we've achieved.
If you like the result, make sure to hit the like button and follow our channel for more tutorials. See you in next video.